Hey, it's Martin, and I'm here today at the GMG booth again in Orlando, Florida. And I'm going to have a quick walk around the booth and show you what's going on. So the first thing I've got to show you is this 1930 electric drive unit, which as you can see is now fully wind-rated for outdoor use, full height, full capacity. And this is the wonderful ramp control on display, which keeps everybody safe. Now come on over here and we've got the GMG 1530. This little micro scissor is an award winner. It's won the LEAP award last year and it continues to do good things in the industry. If you come along further, we've got this new GMG 1030 push around, which weighs only 1,300 kilos, and it also has a laser so you can actually position it and make sure you're in the right spot. One of the great things about this machine though, is the fact that it has a patent pending system on the guardrail, so that enables you to position it in a position underneath some roof tiles or some ceiling tiles and be able to get up through the roof without actually doing anything that's unsafe. If we come on over here, we've got the 2632, and that's showing off the overhead warning system or anti-crush, which is very popular in Australia. As you can hear, it's warning the operator before he gets to the overhead obstruction, which will prevent him actually coming in contact with the overhead obstacle. One of the big features of the show though is this. It is the electric drive 3346 outrigging machine, which as you can see, if we get a shot down here at the front, enables the machine to level itself on slopes of 10 degrees side to side, 5 degrees front to back. This is an absolute game changer in the electric drive slab scissor market. No more do you have a slab scissor that's restricted by 1 or 2 degrees front to back and 2 to 3 degrees side to side. If we keep coming over here, we've got a brand new release, which is the 4650 electric drive unit. So that's a 46-foot wide deck. And we'll finish off by coming over here to the largest machine at the American Rental Association show, which is this humongous 6094 Ultra Deck rough terrain scissor lift, and this will be coming to Australia and the rest of the world soon. So the one thing about the GMG booth, if you haven't visited us, get on down. If you're in Australia and you can't make it, that's a little snapshot of what we've got. GMG is really setting the standard. In this show, the American Rental Association, we have got the booth with the most diverse and largest range of scissor lifts on display out of all of the manufacturers, and we are busy. So come on down and visit GMG.